गुड मॉर्निंग। माई सेल्फ हिमांशु शर्मा स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज टुडेज डे की प्लेलिस्ट में मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूं फॉर 11th ऑफ मई के लिए नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे। नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एनुअली एज अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ इंडियाज टेक्नोलॉजिकल अचीवमेंट्स। रिमाइंडर ऑफ इंडियाज टेक्नोलॉजिकल अचीवमेंट्स। This day marks the anniversary of पोखरण न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट। आज के दिन जो पोखरण में जो टेस्ट हुआ था उसके बारे में उसके याद में बनाया जाता है। अब आप लोगों को ज़्यादा इस बारे में और भी इसलिए पता होगा क्योंकि आपने मूवी देखी होगी जॉन अब्राहम वाली परमाणु, जिसमें पोखरण टेस्ट के बारे में पूरी तरीके से बताया गया कि किस तरह उन्होंने पांडवों के ऊपर नाम रखकर रुकू के, और जो ब्लाइंड स्पॉट जो क्रिएट होता था अमेरिका जो सैटेलाइट का, उसमें उन्होंने उस टेस्ट को सफलतापूर्वक किया था। ऑपरेशन शक्ति जिसका नाम था। इन 1998 ऑन दिस डे इंडिया सक्सेसफुली टेस्टेड द न्यूक्लियर मिसाइल शक्ति 1 एट द इंडियन आर्मीज पोखरण टेस्ट रेंज इन राजस्थान। लेट प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम headed the action and was renamed Action Shakti or Pokhran 2. And 2 days later, as part of Operation Shakti, India successfully launched 2 nuclear weapons at the blast. It is the observed every year on 11th of May. National Technology Day is a way to emphasize the value of science in our everyday life and also encourage young generation to consider it as a career opportunity. National Technology Day was introduced by late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Following that, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee declared India as a nuclear state and making it as the 6th country in the world to join the nuclear community. Nations and the first one that is not the party to the Nuclear Weapon Non-Profitability Treaty means NPT. This year there is no specific theme for National Technology 2020. However, National Science Day 2020 was celebrated with the theme of women in science. Purpose of celebrating the National Technology Day. इस साल वैसे भी कोई बाहर के कोई कार्यक्रम नहीं होंगे। आप सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू कनेक्ट होके वीडियो वगैरह शेयर करके आप लोग ओरिजिन एजुकेशन को भी टैग कर सकते हो। ड्यू टू कोविड-19 आप कोई भी घर से बाहर ना निकलें। नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड to highlight the importance of the science and the groundbreaking achievements. It also marks the scientists and engineers' value contribution in the field of science and technology. This day also encourages new youngsters towards science and make technology field as a career opportunity. National Technology Day is far more than the historical event anniversary, as the technology itself is the great way to the future. It is a day to honor some of our best scientists and innovators' progress in transforming science with accessible practical goods and processes that transform people's life. Some important facts about National Technology Days are: 11th of May is an important day as on this day in 1998 the Defense Research and Development Organization जो है DRDO carried out the last Trishul missile test fire. It is a rapid reaction short range surface to air missile. This was later adopted by the Indian Air Force IAF and the Indian Army to the Security Department. The Trishul missile was a unit within India's Integrated Guided Missile Development Program IGMPDP, which culminated in the development of Prithvi, Akash and Agni missile systems. 11th May also marks the flights of India's first indigenous aircraft Hansa 3, which was flown in the Bengaluru when the nuclear tests were being organized in Rajasthan. The National Aerospace Laboratories developed Hansa 3. This was a light-weighted double-seater aeroplane that is used in sports, pilot training, aerial photography, surveillance and the environmental projects at the flying institutes. Shakti. The Pokhran nuclear test was carried out in May 1974, with the first nuclear test code called Smiling Buddha. The second test was Pokhran 2, which was a sequence of the 5 nuclear bomb explosion tests performed by India at the Indian Army Pokhran Test Range in May 1998. Notably, several major states including the United States and Japan have transformed such nuclear tests into various sanctions against India. Awards on National Technology Day. Every year on National Technology Day, awards are given to several innovators and entrepreneurs. The Technology Development Board (TDB) has created a national award in commemoration of this day. This award is awarded by the president of different individuals and industries for their productive achievements in indigenous technology commercialization. So, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. Please stay safe, stay healthy, stay in home this time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.